Alexa, turn the video on.
In this current age of technology, a newly emerging form includes voice assistants and smart home devices. There's a wide variety of these devices, from smart lights to door locks. Basically, if there's an object that uses electricity, it has been adapted into a smart device. Many of these are extremely useful, like smart thermostats and speakers. On the other hand, for every useful iteration, there's an equally unnecessary and over-the-top one. These include smart fridges, smart trash cans, and even smart diapers. I hate to break it to you, companies trying to capitalize on the trend, but adding a tiny bit of functionality in the buzzword smart to its name does not make your device a revolutionary technology worth hundreds of dollars. Do we really need a Bluetooth-connected smart toaster with a touchscreen on it, and a noise-canceling smart fork for $130? More like dumb fork. Browsing through these dumb smart devices had me thinking, what's an item in the home that has not been made into a smart device? I spent hours browsing my home and the internet in hope to find one that has not been done, and what I found was quite remarkable. As far as a quick internet search for smart candle can show, there is no smart candle. Well, there kind of is, but none of these are real candles. They can be controlled by voice assistants, but none are real candles with wax and a wick. They might have flames, but the scent is synthetically emitted. These are all fake. Candles are supposed to provide a sense of comfiness, and taking any aspect of a normal candle away compromises this. For this reason, I, a broke college student with limited technical expertise, have decided to create a fully functioning smart device that works with any candle. I now present to you the smart candle. Okay, but before I show you the smart candle in action, I have to show you how I made it. This may be a bit boring to some, so I'll try to keep it brief. I started by researching and finding methods to make smart controlled servos. I created a masterfully illustrated diagram for my prototype. Then I ordered everything that I needed, and then I went to work. I tried following YouTube tutorials, but none of the code in them were working for me. I ended up basically copying and pasting code from a random comment on the original blog post that most of the videos referenced. Getting it to work took me over 10 hours and a ton of frustration. Apparently, my one semester of computer engineering college is not enough to make me a professional. I eventually gave up and made a version that I could just control with a button. So I decided to craft the device with some foam core left over from one of my girlfriend's architecture projects. I also wanted to make a 3D model of what an actual non-prototype finished product could look like, so I spent some time on my iPad doing that. After this, I was ready to call it finished, but a part of me just wasn't satisfied. I decided to order a new board, and as it turned out, my original did not connect to the internet properly. This new board worked perfectly and proved that I just wasted about 8 hours trying to fix code that I could not understand. But finally, I did it. I present to you a functioning prototype of the smart candle.
Alexa, shut the candle off.
While I had a ton of frustration while doing it, I really enjoyed making this. The smart candle was supposed to be a bit of a mockery on the smart device market, but I honestly will probably use it regularly. I like to light a candle at night, and oftentimes I'm tired and I don't want to get up to put it out. So now, I can just simply say,
Alexa, shut the candle off.